Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Trishita Paul, and today we'll be solving absolute value inequalities. Now, if you haven't watched our previous videos on absolute value, they will be linked in the description below, as well as in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Please check those videos out before watching this one. As always, solving absolute value inequalities is just like solving absolute value equations. When solving an absolute value inequality, it's necessary to first isolate the absolute value expression on one side of the inequality before solving the inequality. In this example, we are asked to solve for w in the inequality 2 times the absolute value of w plus 7 is greater than 36. We must first isolate the absolute value expression by dividing both sides by 2. That leaves us with the absolute value of w plus 7 is greater than 18. As with absolute value expressions, we must set w plus 7 greater than 18 as well as w plus 7 greater than negative 18. To solve both these inequalities, we can subtract 7 from both sides. That leaves us with w is greater than 11 and w is greater than negative 25. Now, let's try graphing the solution to this inequality on a number line. To visualize it, suppose 11 is somewhere right here and negative 25 is somewhere right here. The solution is x is greater than 11 or x is greater than negative 25. So we can draw 2 arrows pointing to the right, one starting at the point 11 and one starting at the point negative 25. As we can see here, there is an overlap of the lines, which indicates the solution. We see here that the set of solutions of this inequality is only true for any number between negative 25 and 11, because that is where the 2 lines overlap. There is a rule of thumb that you can use when solving absolute value inequalities, shown right here. If an absolute value expression is set less than a value c, then you can set the expression greater than the negative of that value and less than the positive of that value. Similarly, if an absolute value expression is set greater than a value, the expression is less than negative of that value and greater than positive of that value. Now, let's try solving this inequality given this rule of thumb. The first step remains the same. Isolate the absolute value expression. Once again, that leaves us with the absolute value of w plus 7 is greater than 18. Now, since the expression is greater than 18, we can rewrite the inequality as negative 18 is less than w plus 7, which is less than 18, as per the rule of thumb. If you subtract 7 from all 3 sides, we get negative 25 is less than w, which is less than 11. That is the same answer we got the first time we solved it. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Be sure to watch our other videos on absolute value and check the description below for other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.